There are lots of overweight peoples are trying to lose unwanted fat or weight through dieting, but this is not the best possible solution. The perfect way to get rid of belly fat is to select your food shrewdly and do some physical exercise daily. There are lots of foods available that will help you to kill weight. Take them regularly, and they will make your physical personality attractive. Almonds. Almonds are packed with lots of healthy fats and magnesium. Almonds are the key part for fit body, and having fit body will help you burn fat or weight. Along with the high amount of fiber content present in almonds will keep you feeling full for a longer time. So always keep some roasted almonds with you and enjoy them as a snack or in salads or other dishes. Watermelon. Watermelon is very perfect food to decrease weight. Watermelon contains 91% of water, and so that when you take it at the start of a meal, it packs you up without adding a considerable amount of calories to your meal. Along with all, it will also stay you feeling filled longer and also helps combat water retention. This juicy fruit is also containing lots of vitamins B1, B6 and C, as well as potassium and magnesium. Beans. If you want to reduce unwanted fat or weight, then eating different kinds of beans on regular basis will help you to do that. This food is also very effective to improve muscles and the digestion process. Beans will also help you feel occupied for a longer time, thus care you from overeating. Celery. Celery is very low in calories, full of fiber, and holds calcium and vitamin C that aid in weight loss. To decrease the weight or reduce the belly fat, you have to fill your plate with green leafy vegetables like celery. You can also take half a glass of celery juice before eating your lunch or dinner to help cleanse your system. Add celery in your salad or soup. This food contains apigenin, which is a natural composite that decreases the risk of ovarian cancer in women. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a very stimulating and low-calorie food. 100 grams of cucumber includes about 96% of water and only about 45 calories. This refreshing food is packed with minerals, dietary fibers, and vitamins. If you want to remove unwanted weight efficiently, then take a plate of cucumber salad daily. Through this you can cleanse your body of harmful toxins released by the digestive system and lose weight.